So hey guys, today I want to preview a story of myself, and the story is about my managing entrepreneur in Germany. And the history of my life is like a travel, and it's like a complicated and very personal to tell. It's about me living in Germany in a small hostel near to a big town, one of big towns in Germany, and this one is one of the cities in Germany. It's like New York in America when it goes around taxation and marketing. And marketing in this town is previous because I like the word. So and yes, a lot of people live there and nobody knows. And as a child, I did sport. I was interested in managing and in business already. So I asked everything I did. I was asked like, oh, there's your sweatshirt. I like the sweatshirt. And I had different ideas what to do with this sweatshirt. So I took it, I looked at it, and I thought about, do I like it or I don't? So I changed it. I changed it in mind and I was thinking about it. So every day in my life, I'm thinking about how to change. And it's a different story. But in this story, I want to tell how I became finally an entrepreneur and what the goals are. The story is about tell human being and adults what I like and what I don't like. So it's just about to improve and making decisions, and decisions I made are real, and real decisions get invest. So a real decision you made has to become a company, and the company you decide to grow is based on the community you live in. So in case I want to tell, if you do business and finance or have an idea, it's like counting your pennies. So one day I had the idea to came into accounting a different area in mind. It's not real, you can taste it, it's not here. So what is it? You don't know. But it's a way to go there. So the way you go is a product of a bank. It's the text, it's just a text, you can't see it. You have different countries, you have American, you have Europe, you have USD, you have pounds, you have a history, and it will change. So today I want to tell how I changed it. So I was one of the first persons in history, I thought so, who deal with it. And the whole name of it is like a tax. It's just a tax. So I generate the tax just over kind of like this small thing. I had an address, I had my address, and it came empty. And I was searching for another people who are also improved the tax. And this tax gone viral. And in my culture are also people who want to get money. And how to get money with the tax. Tax goes into money. So I just started and I paid into it. Was not that much, but it was for a person in this culture and at that age enough. So I just looked at the display and I realized just, oh, yeah, so a lot of people get into there. So it named mining. And it was a state of a bank, and I did that not paid. So it was starting, gone viral. A lot of people get into there. It was like into 2 weeks was over 64 people, and those people get money. So they were also holder, but they were not get into the company. And every people who get into it had a chance to go viral. If they do or did, I don't know. And the point of this story is I hold one of the biggest points of Bitcoins in my culture. So, why I do say culture and not country? It's because of the ROI. And the whole idea of the system is the role based and influence into marketing. So Bitcoin, you know now, is not a Bitcoin company. It does not exist. Bitcoin company is not exist and is not here and is not real. What you pay into it, I don't know. I didn't inform, but I know what I paid into. It was just a system I built. And there were people before who built and invited me. And that's the whole idea. So where are the money and what is it now? It's still a tax. And the tax I hold is USD. I had to choose the counting and I choose USD and also in the UK. So I split. And I was 18 years old. Before I came into this idea, I was 16 years old and I decided to start the marketing. Marketing I called Lonely Palme, Wait, Fuck. And also now I restarted a company called Ric&Us. And the whole idea is to retransform the idea of the marketing and give this company an ideation. And this idea of ideation is my own person. And this person built one of the biggest point of Bitcoins. So that's the start of the history. And right now I am going to qualification to the MBA. That's my whole life story I want to get in.